Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Peter, and this is my Tundra project about wolverines.
Where do they live?
They live in the tundra in pine forests, boreal pine forests, in the tundra, like in Russia and Canada. And here's a picture of a forest, boreal forest.
And how do you describe that ecosystem?
It's super cold, and super snowy, although in the summer it doesn't always snow. Lots of trees, pine trees,
and cold and snowy all winter long winter.
And super long winters, like with constant snow, sort of.
Okay, things that live in the ecosystem.
And now here, for an example of things that live in the ecosystem, there's wolverines, owls, deer, caribou, and moose. That is a caribou. And here is a wolverine.
Can you give some description of a wolverine?
So they live in burrows. They eat ungulates, hoofed animals,
Especially frozen ones.
especially dead and frozen ones.
Their teeth can break bones.
And their teeth are super strong enough to break bones, like you see in the picture. And those are the wolverine's claws. They like attacking just anyone who walks by, instead of just only to get food and to defend itself. Like, they will attack pretty much anything unless it might be a predator. They still might attack it then. And they drink like a cat, how they lick. And here,
Other way.
here is a wolverine in its burrow.
In the snow. Yeah. Talk a little bit now of the food chains.
Here's wolverine eating a, can't really tell if that's a moose or a caribou.
Remember what this article is at? Who eats wolverine?
Wolves.
So say that.
So wolves sometimes will eat wolverines, and every once in a while a bear might.
So you want to and then explain this too.
And here is
This is about the ecology.
Food chain. So rabbit, and I think that's a lemming or a mouse, eats plants. Bearberry.
Maybe say you did not make this food chain, but that we found it online.
I didn't make the food chain, we just found it, so it's a little different than we wanted it to be.
It's perfect. We just found it. Okay, so what happens next?
Then rabbit and lemmings eats the plant. Wolves, fox, eat them, and then polar bear, wolf will eat the fox, wolverine will eat the fox, and fox will also eat wolverine.
If it's young.
If it's young.
Anything else you want to say? Do you think Wolverines are cool?
Mm.
You can see something to wrap it up.
Okay, so I think this is everything.